Okay, here at Hospital Level Crossing, I was in Preston, maybe, with Callow. Times 20, 23, 30th July, 2016, for a slightly delayed 2013 to November 16, Blackpool South to Clone. No bank here either. Can't see much from down here. And these are normal XPX rail systems with big signs. Normal yellow alarms. And I went to a different crossing today and I got it at the wrong side of the line, and that was the line between somewhere, I can't remember the place, it's a company name and colour, and that line's closed and it was best replacements. Hopefully we've got another 150. I wouldn't mind. Still waiting. Still not here. No, it's a bit early. Normally there's a much load of earlier than usual. Should have that mid spot thingy on the screen still. And we've got a different 150 tank. 150, 141. 150, 141 and 142, 844 to Colne. And up we go. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh, those are bad.